Hello, my viewers. Welcome to today's episode. Today we will be making jackfruit dosa, and the ingredients for that are in the beginning of this video. I will request you please pause the video and you can check the ingredients. So we'll take all the ingredients and mix them together and form a thick batter. And after that we will heat a tawa and we will spread the batter evenly, not like a very thin batter of dosa, but a medium batter, and it shouldn't be running. And we will apply some ghee on top of that, and after that we will close the lid and we'll wait for some time of 3 to 4 minutes. And after that we will open the lid and we'll check if it's done, if that side is done, if the lower side is done. Mine isn't done yet, so I'll cover it again for 2 minutes, and after that we will check. After 2 minutes we will just uncover it, and then we will flip the dosa gently, and we will apply some few drops of ghee on top of it. Now we will increase the heat to a bit and we will fry the dosa from both sides for a few minutes. Now dosa is almost done and it's ready to be eaten. And please let me know your feedback after trying, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching and have a good day.